So this is how the triangle bandana looks like, and I'm gonna show you in a while how to make every step of it so you can achieve it easily. Also, don't forget to check the written pattern for a clear way to achieve this pattern. So I'm using a medium worsted yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. You can use a smaller crochet hook if you wish. Check the written pattern for all the information regarding the sizing, the yarn, and everything you need to work this bandana. So I'll make a slip knot and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So the third chain will be considered as a space for the chain 1 space. You'll understand in a while. In the first chain from the hook, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet. So chain 1 and turn. Now we've got the first space. What I'm gonna do is chain 1, I did chain 1. So 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, and then 1 single crochet in the initial space, which we said the first space of the chain 3. So 1 single crochet over here, and then now I'm gonna chain 1, and I'll do the same what I did here. This is the space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1, single crochet in the last space over here. So we're working only in the spaces. Again, chain 1 and increase. So in every beginning of the row we do the increase. So this is the chain 1 space. We're gonna make single crochet, chain 1, single crochet only in the first stitch, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet, and again chain 1 and turn, and in the space increase again, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and I'll do the same till I achieve the number of rows required for my project, and I'll come back and show you how it looks and start with the straps. So here I have completed 36 rows of moss stitch, and then I'll start making the straps for the bandana. And here is my last round of the triangle. So chain 1 and last single crochet, and I'll chain 50 for the strap. So the chain 50 is done with the first bandana, and then what I'm gonna do is slip stitch back to the triangle so I can continue to make the second strap as well. So slip stitch throughout all the chains. So from this strap, once completed, I will continue making the single crochet moss stitch. So chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, and continue throughout the triangle bandana. Chain 1 and single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet in the last one, and chain 50. to make the second strap. So here I have chained 50, and then what I'm gonna do, like I did in the first strap, slip stitch back into the bandana. So slip stitch in every chain. And here I have reached the end of the strap, and I'm gonna fasten off and hide the thread. So continue slip stitch the last few stitches, and at the end this is the last slip stitch over here, and fasten off. Then you can hide the thread over here. This is how it looks like at the ends. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.